Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can factory reset this Fero A4001 PLUS. Just follow the steps along the way. I will show you how you can do it within no time. Okay. First put the battery in. Then after you press power button and the volume up button. You see? Click those two buttons together at the same time. You keep on pressing them until the screen pops up. Just you keep on pressing until you see the screen. When you see the screen, you let go of power button and keep on pressing volume up button until you see this interface. When you see this interface, you use volume down button to look for where you can see factory reset and or wipe data. See, I've already reached there. Then you use power button to select. Then you use volume down to search. Yes. Then you select. Here they're saying wipe all user data. This can be done. Go and done. Then you click OK. See, here it's showing it's wiping all the data. Then here when you see this interface, they are saying reboot system now. You click power button to reboot the system. Here it will take a long time, but just try to be patient until it boots up. And the next thing you have to know, when it's not for a charge, sometimes the phone doesn't work, so you have to charge it so that it can work. If you don't charge it, it won't show up. So I'll put the USB so that if I told it wasn't for a charge, at least it can boot well. Sometimes it stays there for a long time, but you have to be patient until it finishes. It has already formatted. Now you start the phone as normal. You click on start, this arrow start arrow. Here you put in the password of the Wi-Fi. That means the phone is locked. If it fails to highlight this skip, that means it's having FRP. Then you have to remove the FRP.